The direct vision standard is a method by which we can measure the ability of a vehicle to allow a driver to see the things around that vehicle, which might be cyclists or pedestrians, through direct vision through the windows. And there is a wide range in performance differences between really high long-haul type trucks, which would have very poor direct vision, and the kind of vehicle that we have behind us, which has excellent direct vision. So the direct vision standard has now been running in London for more than a year. The European Union expressed interest in that work, and so we've worked with the United Nations Economic Commission for Europe to redevelop the standard that's been applied in London, but to have some extra features. But basically that standard will now operate for any HGV sold in Europe from 2026. And we've set really quite stringent minimum requirements for the direct vision standard, which means that you will see differences in truck designs in the next 5 to 10 years.
Of course, those changes bear cost for the industry, we recognize that, but we want changes to be made to ensure people can cycle and walk safely in cities. And this is why the contribution to researchers Dr. Steve Summerskill and Russell Marshall was so important.
With the design of the Volta Zero, we had the opportunity to start from a blank sheet of paper. So we took the opportunity not just to produce an electric truck, but to completely reimagine the design of a truck, addressing some of the major safety issues. We took direct vision very much as a design objective from the start and optimized that all the way through the design of the vehicle to really emphasize the compatibility of this vehicle with its home environment in city delivery.
I've sat in all kinds of trucks all over the world, and it's really quite stunning in terms of the ability to see everything that you need to see around you when at a junction. So I'm very impressed with the design.
With the lower cab, you get greater visibility to pedestrian cyclists. We've got multiple cameras, we've got a 360 camera as well, and also the extended glass as well. We've got much wider view. The benefits of these features, it allows me to see cyclists and pedestrians much easier.
We believe that Dr. Summerskill and his dedicated team's high-quality research on the direct vision standard for HGVs will ultimately contribute to saving lives. It's difficult, detailed work, but well worth it, as we know how important direct vision to the front and side of the driver's cab is, and that it is better than mirror-aided vision on its own.
These are real people that are being, run over by these vehicles in particular scenarios, and any life lost is unacceptable in my view. But it is something that we're very proud of, that the direct vision standard being applied in London and then for the whole of Europe should save hundreds of lives per year, or certainly hundreds of people from being killed or seriously injured.